Hi, and welcome to part 1 of Design for Environment. Let's get to know about what is design for environment. In this part 1, we will learn about the introduction to design for environment, shortly known for DFE. By that, let's get to know more about the design for environment and its importance. In this content of Introduction Design for Environment, we will look at the history of design for environment. Next, what is design for environment, and lastly, objectives of environmental design. And by all of this, we will see the importance of design of environment. About the design for environment. Firstly, design for environment is a method of reducing or eliminating a product's environmental impact over its life cycle. This is also related with the life cycle assessment, which is a method used to evaluate the environmental impact of a product as well. The life cycle of a product, which encompassing extraction and processing of the raw materials, manufacturing, distribution, use, recycling, and final disposal. Next, design for environment practice that is effective maintains or improves product quality and cost while minimizing environmental impacts. This plays an important role for both of the production of a product as well to the environmental management. It is to ensure the importance of environmental sustainability due to how much energy and resources uses in everyday use. And next, design for environment also shifts the traditional manufacturer's emphasis on production to a closed-loop life cycle. Closed-loop cycle, also closed-loop recycling, is the process by which a product or material can be used and then turned into a new product or converted back to raw material indefinitely without losing its properties during the recycling process. So, how about environmental design? It is the same? Yes, it is. Environmental design is the process of addressing surrounding environmental parameters when devising plans, programs, policies, buildings, or products. It seeks to create spaces that will enhance the natural, social, cultural, and physical environment of particular areas. Environmental design can also refer to the applied arts and sciences dealing with creating the human-designed environment. These fields include architecture, geography, urban planning, landscape architecture, and interior design. In terms of larger scope, environmental design has implications for industrial design of products. Currently, the term has expanded to apply to ecological and sustainability issues. Let's go the next part, the history of design for environment. In this section, we will learn about when it is founded and who founded it. So, Design for Environment was founded in 1992 by a group of electronic companies looking to increase environmental awareness in product development. This is really impressive because it was founded since year in 1990s. The group of electronic companies who founded the DFE is the American Electronics Association AEA 1992. The AEA was a nationwide non-profit trade association that represented all segments of the technology industry. DFE was created and defined as systematic consideration of design performance with respect to environmental, health, and safety objectives over the full product and process lifecycle. Following that, many industries that wanted to incorporate environmental awareness into product design began to use this concept widely. In the end, it should lead to sustainable production and consumption that can be achieved together with a number of other measures that are very important. And we will look further on the objectives of design for environment. In this section, we will learn about 4 objectives of DFE. The first objective is to minimize or reduce waste throughout the product's life cycle. In general, waste reduction offers several environmental benefits. Greater efficiency in the production and use of products means less energy consumption, resulting in less pollution. Hence, more natural resources are preserved in products using less hazardous materials are used. The second objective is to achieve or surpass regulatory targets. It addresses the permanent need to ensure that regulations and regulatory frameworks are justified, of good quality, and fit for purpose. The third objective is to increase the use of recycled resources and energy all through the product cycle. Recycling reduces the need for extracting, refining and processing raw materials, all of which create substantial air and water pollution, and recycling also takes up less energy, which reduces our carbon footprint and emissions. The last objective is to limit power usage across the product's life cycle. Energy consumption plays a very important role because utilization of non-renewable resources also impacts our environment. Specifically, usage of fossil fuels supplies air and water pollution such as carbon dioxide produced. Mostly, the energy consumption are used more during manufacturing phase, and it is important to achieve a significant reduction in energy consumption. Finally, we have come to the end of part 1. By that, we will continue on part 2. Before that, let's get ready for quiz time. Good luck and all the best!